Good evening. I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. The U.S. has now broken every record since the pandemic has began.
Right now, there are more than 14 million COVID cases across the country. More than 100,000 people are in the hospital. And so many Americans are dying from the virus. It's at a rate of one person every 30 seconds.
Sadly, COVID records are also being set here in our area. CBS 2's Jessica Layton live in Chatham, New Jersey, where rising numbers are causing problems at the high school once again. Jessica?
That's right, Christina. Maurice, doing the right thing while we're all trying to survive through this pandemic means notifying the appropriate people when you test positive or even have symptoms. But apparently that hasn't been happening at Chatham High School, and now the school is closed because of it. From signs on sidewalks to messages on the doors of shops on Main Street, Chatham is full of reminders about COVID. But perhaps the biggest precaution is being taken at the high school, which once again is going fully remote for 2 weeks after 7 kids tested positive.
I mean, if your kid is infected, the kid should be home, and they really should be contacting all their friends, right?
But some parents may be keeping their kids' COVID status quiet. In this letter, the superintendent wrote about challenges obtaining accurate information about exposure to COVID, symptoms of students, and travel.
If this is true, this is wrong. Absolutely, 100%.
This parent and restaurant owner wonders if those same people are also going into businesses sick.
If their kids are asymptomatic, they don't want to keep them home. We're hearing a lot of that.
Stacey Flanagan is the director of Health and Human Services in Jersey City and says contact tracers have faced an uphill battle throughout the pandemic statewide.
This is not a blame game. We just want to help all those people that may have been in close contact with someone to get the help and the information they need.
Infections in New Jersey soared to a new record Thursday. There were 4,913 new positive cases and 64 deaths reported. And some hospitals are reporting outbreaks among staff. Ocean County Medical Center has 100 workers out sick. 40 healthcare providers at Palisades Medical Center in North Bergen are infected.
Our team members live in the community. Our team members are picking it up in the community, and then they're asymptomatically in the hospital.
Hackensack Meridian Health runs both hospitals and says the employees across its system who are sick make up only a fraction of its clinical workforce.
We probably have close to 25,000 patient-facing team members, so people who are involved in direct patient care. And right now we have maybe about 700 or 800 total team members out of work.
And virtual learning at Chatham High School will continue through December 16th. Live in Chatham, New Jersey tonight, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.